Good morning. It's actually the day after I filmed my last video. I'm actually just gonna like do my skincare whilst I talk to you. I've just woken up and I'm just about to go to the gym. If you watched my last video, you'd know I was like talking about how it was quite a mess and there wasn't really much structure to the video. So you're in luck today because I am going to be vlogging. Also, remember how I told you about my window, guys? If you watched the last video. Isn't it just stunning? It's a shame about the lighting on my actual camera because I feel like I just look gross. Like, I don't know what. I really need to sit down and try and fix it. I tried to just a minute ago. And I just feel like I look weird. Like, I don't know what it is, but I feel like everything just looks really orange and I look really orange. Maybe that's just how I look. I don't know, but it's fine. I'm just going to leave it and ignore it, and I promise I will stop talking about it, but it's just really bothering me. I've got to post this skirt because I've sold it on Vinted, which I do actually really like this skirt, but I've only worn it like a couple of times, and I did say to myself this year that I really need to like basically just cut down on the amount of clothing that I own and just don't wear. My gym fit, I rewear this outfit like 5 times a week, so no one's surprised. Anything. Right, I'm just gonna wear this jacket because I don't know where any of my clothes are. And I just need to go, really. I'm just yapping loads and procrastinating it, but great. Let's go. I'm back from the gym, as you can see. I shouldn't have washed my face in the shower because now I'm gonna have to redo my skincare, but whatever. I didn't really film anything in there because I feel like I'm just not on that level of being able to film in the gym. I just feel like that is like far too much social anxiety for me. But one day, well, I think I filmed a couple of clips for my channel in the gym before, but nothing like that's not like on like a mat, because like I just feel like anything more than that is scary. I don't know, I'm just, yeah. Actually, I did a really good workout. I feel quite like worked out. Oh, God, I feel like I'm really bad at multitasking, like doing something and talking, which is probably a really bad feature to have someone that makes YouTube videos, but I'm just doing my makeup now because me and Emily are gonna go on a walk to just like the park by our house. It's really pretty, there's like a lake and stuff, so we're gonna just go on a nice walk in the winter sunlight. I feel like this is actually like one of my favourite weathers, where it's like, I don't know if you can see, it's like cold but sunny and it's really nice. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of like very natural like makeup. I just like doing makeup when I'm going out because it just makes me feel a bit more like even though I'm not going anywhere, it just makes me feel a bit more put together. I've been doing like high rocks stuff in the gym. I haven't booked anything, but I would really like to do one. But I've just been doing the like the high rocks workouts when I go to the gym, just because like number one, they're really good workouts to do, and number two, I feel like if I do one in the future, then at least I'm like ready and like, you know what I mean? I don't know, I've just been practicing the workouts even though I'm not doing one. I feel like it's kind of nice to like do something when there's like no end, like you're not doing it for something, because it takes the pressure off. Like when you go on a run but you're not actually training for like a marathon or anything, it always just makes it a little bit nicer, I suppose, because you don't really need to worry about the fact that you're training for anything. It's Monday, it's the start of the week, so we're gonna set the week off right. It's gonna be really good. I dropped off my Vinted parcel, and I've also actually, let me check, I've got a Vinted parcel that I bought, and basically when I went on their account it said that they blocked me. Oh my god, it's waiting for me at the Impo shop. Should we go and pick it up on the way to the park and see if it's any good? Oh my god, okay guys, this is about to be a whole thing. Basically, just to explain, I bought a pair of shoes off Vinted, and the guy, I mean, I guess I'm kind of stupid because I didn't actually check, but the guy that I bought them off didn't actually have any reviews or anything, and then he blocked me. but he posted it. So I don't really know why he's blocked me. Or if maybe it's a glitch or something, I don't really know. But it does just say, like, on the thing, user blocked. But, like, he's posted it, and the parcel's just arrived at the in-post locker. So I don't really know what his point is either way, because even if he has posted it and it's not the actual item, it doesn't actually mean anything, because he won't get the money, will he? Because, do you know what I mean? Like, if, I don't know if you guys know how Vinted works, but, like, yeah, you can't, they won't get the money until I confirm that I've received the item. So if he sends me something that just isn't the shoes, then I can just not confirm that I've got it, you know? So, like, I've got the last laugh, basically. But I don't see why he would have blocked me and then posted something. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just confused as to why they've blocked me. So I suppose we can go and have a look. But how cheeky, eh? The audacity. Hello? You can come in. Huh?
Mind.
I'm just getting ready to go, but I think we should go on an adventure to go and get my parcel from the in-post locker, and then we can see what's in it. And I can do like a live reaction unboxing. But I've got these, yeah? Yeah. Oh my God. She always screams like it's like bloody murder. Really scares me. I've got these fluffy leggings from Primark, and they're so warm. I love them, but they've got this like weird line that like goes through your crotch, and I don't know, it just kind of looks like you're wearing tights, but it's okay, I don't really care. I've got my fluffy socks on. I look nice and warm for my walk. Well, we're not actually going on the walk yet, but I'm gonna go get my parcel first, and then we're gonna go on the walk, because my parcel's only like round the corner. But yeah, how stupid do I look out of 10?
Not really stupid.
Disappointing. Look how gorgina. The reason why I said about how stupid do I look out of 10 is because I'll actually show you. Fluffy socks and Crocs. Who gave me the audacity? Well, that was stressful. It's looking hopeful, guys. I've got the goods. Because I got there so soon, they hadn't actually scanned the parcels in. So I didn't have a code, and the girl was looking at me like, well, you should have a code. And then her manager came over and was like, oh yeah, it's because we haven't actually scanned them in yet. So we can do a live unboxing. Whoever sent me this parcel, I kind of hate you. You put me through a lot of stress, but it's okay. So, moment of truth. I'm kind of scared. Oh, it actually is the shoes. Oh. But just to let you guys know,
They look good though.
They look really good. Just to let you guys know, I bought these on Vinted. I had, oh, am I in focus? I had like, how much did I have on my Vinted balance? Like £45 Vinted balance from like selling my own clothes. And then these shoes were like, maybe like 50 something pounds. So I only actually paid like £13 for these shoes. I am a money-making genius, okay? And didn't we? We went to the shop the day before, the Dr. Martens shop, to just try them on and see which size would be good for me. And they were like £180. No. And these, I'm not being funny, are like in perfect condition. So, have they even been worn?
No.
They haven't even been touched, have they? That's insanity, isn't it? I can't believe I've scanned that. Have I got any goodies as well? Oh, I've even got some laces, and is that a bag? I think I've got a Dr. Martens bag. Me and Emily are on our walk. It's actually really beautiful. Oh, it's a bit chilly, but it's really nice. Where do you want to sit? Huh? Do you want to just sit here? What do you mean? Oh look, someone's warmed up for you right there with their bum. Oh, that will be cold. Can I sit on that actually, because I'm in leggings? I didn't really think my outfit through. I'm in thermal leggings, but I feel like I'll still be very cold. Do you want to carry on? We could sit on that big round thing. I'm coming. Sorry, I'm just doing my bum in that guy's face. Here we go.
To share.
I've got these Tunisian biscuits, which are really nice.
These white chocolate digestives.
These are white chocolate digestives. You said that they were gross.
No, my mum did. She didn't.
No. She
said
offered
they
them
look
to you and you
gross.
went, they look gross.
They do look very gross.
White chocolate
Something's
digestive.
not quite right.
Hey.
Really weird.
Why? What, are you embarrassed about the people? No, yeah, I used to have this issue and then I just got over it. Getting embarrassed. She's getting embarrassed. It's because there's loads of people walking past us right now, but...
What are you filming?
A YouTube video.
Oh!
Yeah.
Cool girls on the...
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's just a vlog, just a random vlog. Yeah, thank you.
Hello. I'm just scared. She always jumps
I know,
up
I was
here.
looking at my camera, I was a bit worried,
No,
but it's
I
okay, don't
want her
worry.
I don't want her to jump up.
So I'll just pick it up for now. Do you see what I mean about people don't care? They're just interested, but they're not going to judge you. I'm going to tell a spooky story for all of you guys. Did you guys know this is haunted? I came on a school trip here when I was like 10 or something, and they tell you up there in the trees, so it's like a bit of a valley, and up there in the trees it's like, it's a bit of like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it like goes down and up like that, and there used to be like warriors. I don't actually remember this story very well, and I'm pretty sure I could be like completely being told it wrong, but yeah, it's probably completely false, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Up there, they used to like have their bows and arrows and shoot across the other people on the other side. I'm serious. I don't know why you're laughing. And they used to shoot across to each other, and I can't remember the rest of the story, but pretty much there used to be like wars here. Can someone search that up and find out if that's accurate for me, please? I'd really quite like to know. Oh well.
I would bet a lot that that's not true. That was like a fun thing at school that you tell the kids, but actually like it's completely false.
She's not really supportive of my endeavours, but that's okay. How's your coffee?
Warm.
Great.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. She's not being very entertaining for the vlog. I'm sorry, guys. I know you're all here for me anyway.
Like a bit weird.
What? Why?
Because you're just like so much like what you are in real life. I don't know.
Okay. Broda said a whole bunch of nothing.
It's weird watching someone you actually know on YouTube. You know? And you know, like, I actually know you inside and out. And it's weird that, like, I watch you on the screen and you're how you are in real life.
So basically it's like meeting a celebrity.
But it's like watching your life through a screen, but I was there for most of it anyway. Does that make sense?
Well, when we watch this back,
It's going to be worse.
it'll
'cause
be
I'm in it.
weird. Because you'll be in
This
it.
is my first YouTube appearance for about...
This is her... Should we give some background on Emily? Some background. This is Emily Wilson-White. She is... How old are you? 21 years old? Yeah. Name your top 3 fun facts about yourself.
I'm from Dorset. I go to university in Bristol, and I like going to the gym.
And she also... Fun fact that I'll add in, she used to play for Crystal Palace. So actually used to play for England. Fun fact.
But that's not important.
That's not important. That's nothing to do with her character. She's not cocky, guys. She's not cocky. But she was a professional footballer. Did you do anything else? Oh, she's done 2 Ironmans.
Yeah.
She does... she's very... Basically, she's very athletic. So, the opposite of me.
Yeah, I've done an Ironman in Estonia, and I did Ironman
Why are you
Barcelona.
treating this like it's like a football interview? You can tell that she's, like, catered to the football life. Because this is, like...
Done Ironman
Very, like...
Barcelona.
You can, like, act like you've got a bit of life in you.
I met
you know?
Lilia at university in Bristol.
Okay. That's enough on Emily Wilson-White Law. Thanks for watching.
I'm a student paramedic.
She's a student paramedic. Basically, end of story.
not much else really.
No, not really, is there?
It's actually about. Oh, nah.
What?
That's about it, really, to be honest, isn't it?
Okay. Oh, another fun fact, she also went on her own to Amsterdam to see Doja Cat. Commitment. Doja Cat, if you're watching this is your number one
Yeah,
fan.
you need to, yeah. Serious. Tickets, please. Just to know I like you.
I figured out how to fix the orangeness that was going on here, by the way. So now I look a lot more like a human. Anyway, good evening. I look a bit rough, I'm not gonna lie. I did have a nap when I got back from the walk. So it is like 9 PM now, if you can even see. And I'm absolutely ravenous. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't even think I've got any food. So I need to go and look. I've been sat here for the past like 2 hours actually editing this video, which is really weird because I'm filming for this video right now whilst editing it at the same time. But I thought I might as well just get ahead, you know, even though I haven't actually finished filming it. I can just film the stuff that I've filmed already. I mean, edit the stuff that I've filmed already. But yeah, should we go downstairs and see if there's any food? Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit hungry. Oh, I have a slight feeling that as I am a uni student, the only thing I will have is pasta. And I probably won't even have anything to put in the pasta. What meal can I actually make here? Yeah, it's been a decent day. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I've been very like going through waves of emotions for the past like 2 days. I don't really know why. I think even though I'm very lucky that I've got like loads of time off and I'm not really doing anything, sometimes I do like struggle a little bit to, I don't know, I'm very much a person that works with like routine. Like I like to work around my routine basically. Like if I know I've got uni or I know I'm working or blah blah blah, like I find it easier to fit in my own tasks around it, if that makes any sense. But I seem to just feel a bit like, I don't know, I feel like I've just been very MIA on everything for the past like year. Anyway, I've been very MIA on everything for the past like year, including YouTube. So like my views are down, everything's down basically. And I'm just sort of trying to like start myself back up again without like, I don't know how to explain it, but just, yeah. That's what I'm trying to say here. I can't really have eggs with this meal, can I? I think I'm gonna have to just let the eggs go, but I kind of need to eat them because they're gonna go off date. But maybe I should just save them for tomorrow. That I have never, ever in my entire life portioned pasta correctly. I always make too much, but in this case, I will just put it in the fridge if I don't eat it, but yeah. And in true lilz.selmi style, I just didn't end the video. Thank you for watching. I'm really enjoying making videos again, and I'm really glad that I'm back. So, yeah, I'm just, like, slowly getting back into it, so bear with. But, yeah. Love you lots. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.